Hey there. No gym this week? No worries. You don't need machines or heavy weights to get fit. You've got your own body. And today, I'm talking about the most powerful bodyweight move of all time, the push-up. Here's the challenge. What happens if you do just 30 push-ups every single day for 1 month? Stick with me, because the results go way beyond just stronger arms. 1. Stronger, defined muscles. A standard push-ups, build your triceps. A wide push-ups, grow your chest. A narrow push-ups, target triceps and pecs. A forward and backward push-ups, fire up your abs and back. Mix them up, and you'll see your upper body transform. 2. Healthier joints. Push-ups strengthen the muscles and tendons around your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. That means less pain, more mobility, and fewer injuries. 3. A stronger heart. Every rep makes your heart pump harder, improving circulation. Research shows people who can do 40 push-ups have a much lower risk of heart disease. That's not just fitness, that's life-changing. 4. Shoulder protection. Push-ups stabilize your rotator cuff, protecting one of the most vulnerable areas of your body. That means more flexibility and fewer injuries. 5. Core power. Push-ups don't just give you abs, they strengthen your entire core. Abs, waist, pelvis, and lower back. Better posture, less back pain, and more energy for running, lifting, or any sport. 6. Balance and coordination. Every push-up trains your balance. Your body learns to stay stable, your nerves fire faster, and your overall coordination improves. That's not just for the gym, it helps in everyday life too.
7. 멘탈 터프니스.
Push-ups train more than muscles. They train discipline and resilience. At first, 30 might feel tough, but pushing through builds a stronger mindset you'll carry into every part of your life.
더 30데이 챌린지.
So here's your mission, 30 push-ups a day, for 30 days straight. No gym, no excuses.
Just you and your determination.
By the end of the month, you'll have stronger muscles, healthier joints, a tougher heart, better balance, and a mindset that refuses to quit.
So, are you ready?
Drop down and give me 30. Your stronger, fitter self starts today.